What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video for y'all. We're just gonna be doing the same thing as always, low POV. It's a rainy day in Cali today. Yeah. If we do any pools today, then we're gonna do like mini pools where we'll be sliding out here, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. You guys got that to 1,600. That shit's insane. We're growing fast as fuck. Make sure you guys go subscribe, keep supporting. And you guys are showing mad love in the comments too. Like a lot of people are asking what mods I have in this car. So I have a Borla A-Type catback exhaust, and I also have a leg maker intake. But yeah, I'll probably show you guys the intake later. I'll pop the hood for you guys and everything. But yeah, we're probably gonna post a reel today since it's raining with the wet car and everything, you know. We're gonna post that reel before the video, so make sure you guys tune into the Instagram. I'll put it up again. So yeah, show love to that Instagram and make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, Siri. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when I'm gonna go film the reel. I'm gonna do a little POV over there. Alright, we just got to the spot. We're gonna record some videos now. And let's take out the camera. Alright guys, in the middle of the night. It's not raining no more, the floor is just a bit wet. But it's not too bad. Let's get this tunnel real quick.
What you call that and when you my fault. 1.5 in a vote. I'm on the blogs every time that I talk. 13 cars, but I'm still gon' walk. And I'm on lean today. Now I got behind me, they didn't even chase. They don't fuck with me because they know they can't. I'm messed up by a trip when I walk. I'm bringing pressure, they run when I walk. I kick the bitch out the Jeeps on the walk. Yeah, I jump on these beats and I walk. Slide, keep on sliding, walk. Just keep on down, walk. Spin around, walk. Step down, walk.
Y'all can't see, but we get up there. The reel should be posted before this video gets posted, so make sure you guys go check out the Instagram. Sliding in that bitch. Did not catch traction, bro. Yo, we're still sliding in this bitch. Woo! See that shit? God damn, why is it so aggressive today? Should be sliding. Once it gets sideways, got away. Manual mode is not it right now. It's green. Yeah, we got to put just fix the camera. It's running out of storage. So this is like the last pull right here, probably. let's see if he can do a fucking pull because we keep getting started with him. This wet ass ground. Let's see what's up. Woo! This tell me. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. But yeah, man, make sure you guys tune in for more. Comment down below what else I should be doing. Alright, peace, y'all.